Hi, I'm Eva. I want to introduce you to Lyncros, a software factory specialized in developing products that address business challenges. We help companies eliminate bottlenecks to accelerate their projects and bring their products to market faster. With 15 years of experience, we have collaborated with various industries, transforming their ideas into value-added solutions. One of our business focuses is on solutions that ensure sustainability. These include custom traceability systems, compliance with ESG standards, custom business intelligence reports, or paper reduction through the implementation of secure and transparent blockchain solutions. Our methodology is based on the creation of minimum viable products. This allows us to deliver quick results, measure impact, and design scalable solutions. To achieve this, we assemble agile work teams dedicated to each project. We offer our development services with a fixed monthly fee, similar to the SaaS model. This helps you reduce initial costs, access continuous updates, and enjoy greater flexibility in project development with senior teams dedicated to your business. Do you need help with a project? I invite you to contact us for a free consultation with our experts. For more information, you can visit our website.